pineapple pineapple man apple man pineapple man hey pineapple apple man hey pineapple apple man
อยู่ไหน
It was a big world, but we thought we were bigger. Each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never reach out, we were out to make a steady figure. I always had that dream, just that was there before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Think about that glory, going to show for me. It's only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends, it'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Good shot. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun, life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old.
Double kill!
I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make us major. I got my boys with me, please those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Inspired by everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old.
Bring it on!
Still learning about life. I wanna break
Is
it
that
all
all?
for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can
This
tell
is
the
awesome.
stories. Most all my boys are with me, so
Come
I
on, get
feel like
some.
sneaking
This
along.
is
So
awesome.
I had to leave behind my brother. I'm so sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy at 61 remember life and they left me on a better one. I made a man so happy when I brought